Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to add dynamic page number in PDF report. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add dynamic content in the footer, custom footer, please check, link is given in the description. And in case you want to learn more about Odoo with different topics, you can visit the WebLearns channel. Under the WebLearns channel you can visit the playlist. Under the playlist you can see Odoo development, and here you can see different types of playlist available with different topics with real task cases. And in case you need support related Odoo, you can visit the about page. You can send your query to this email address. Source code also available in GitHub. You can see also here the link is available here. We have also different social media pages. Make sure you can follow. And if you want to support this channel using many ways, buy me coffee, PayPal, or using the join button. Let's back to our main topic, like how to add page number, right? Let's say why we need a page number, right? So here, let's say in the PDF report, let me open the first record and I will try to print the report. We have to identify here like how many PDF pages are available, right? So in this case we have only one, right? What about we have a many datas for the specific record set? So that time we can use here the page number in header or the footer, right? So for that, like Odoo also support this functionality also, and that feature also available in existing reports, right? And we created a custom header and the custom footer part also, right, with dynamic data. So how we can so if you don't know how to customize header and footer, right, you can just check previous discussion. Also you can visit here the playlist. Under the playlist you can see here Odoo qweb PDF report tutorial. Over there I already explained many real task cases. All right, so let me go to here in the editor. If you remember, we already created a separate module for the custom header and footer, right? So you can see this is our dynamic custom layout, and you can see here this is our actual PDF file which is generated from the student profile, right? And in this template we are using this custom header and footer layout, not the existing one. So here you can see this is the header part, this is the footer part, and this is the content part, right? I already explained everything in previous sessions. You can visit the playlist. Now let's talk about the page number, how you can display, right? So first let's going to the PDF footer part. So this is our footer part, right? And here I will try to use BR, then after div, class, row, text center, and here I will use one more class, one more div tag, and I will add here class and page, right? And I will save, and I will try to upgrade this module, but I will not upgrade module from the front end side. From the terminal only I will upgrade -u, and I will paste here this module name. And in case you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist. I already explained. You can see it will automatically upgrade this module, and I will try to reprint this report. So this is header and this is footer, and in footer you can see here this div tag, right? And this is page 1. Now let me add some beautification part like page. Let me first remove this tags, like this, and I will try to upgrade the module. All right, so like this, page 1. So it displays something like this way, but instead of this div, let me add here the span, right? And you can see here, this is the first page, right? What about if you have a multiple content and you want to display here multiple pages, page number, right? So how it is displayed? So you don't need to manage anything. What you have to do is you have to simply use the span tag class equal to page. That's it, span or div tag, anything. And here you have to mention as a this class name, the page. That's it, and Odoo will handle this part. You don't need to manage. So for that, let me add here one dynamic data for each t-s p p-out, and here like a random. So I will use here Python random function here 0 to 100, so it will print 0 to 99. All right, and now you can see the magic. Oops, we have some error. Oh, sorry, we have to use here range. Sorry about that. The range function. Let me upgrade this template, right? And I will try to reprint this report. So random is a different thing, and range is also a different thing. So here you can see this is our first page. You can see page number 1, page number 2. So you can see we don't need to handle anything, only we just need to add a class which is page 3, 4 and 5, right? Now let's say you can see here total we have 5 pages, right? If we want to add here also the total pages, right? So for that we also need to add one more let's say the class. So for that, let me add here span class and 2page. That's it. So 2page display total pages and page display current page. All right. And let me upgrade the module, going to front end side, and I will try to print this report. Now you can see total page is 5, current page is 1. You can see 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and this is the last page, right? So like this way you can also add, and it is not compulsory you can use here. You can copy this code, right, and simple you can paste here in this header part. Let me comment this part for your reference, and I will paste here. Okay, and I will try to upgrade this module. Now let's say I will try to print one more time, but instead of the footer it will display in header. So you can see page 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and the last page 5 of 5, right? So like this way you can add a dynamic page number using page and 2page class. So that's it for now. In our next session I will show you how to add current timestamp to current timestamp, how you can use in the PDF report, right? So generally, like when you click to this button, print this report, so it will automatically add a download time, the date plus time. All right, so we will see you on next session, and in case you have any doubt related this topic, please comment below, and see you in next session.